Hello, and welcome to my science fair project. I'm going to be experimenting with different levels of sugar in kombucha that vary depending on the fruit used to flavor it. So, what is kombucha? In a nutshell, kombucha is a fermented beverage made up of tea, sugar, healthy bacteria, and yeast. The fizzy drink contains loads of probiotics and has many health benefits for those that can get past the vinegary taste. The process of fermentation begins with sweet tea, which is then placed inside a large glass jar along with something called a Scoby, which stands for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. The Scoby breaks down the sugar in the tea and converts them into alcohol, carbon dioxide, and acids. After 1 to 2 weeks of sitting in a room that is 70 to 80 degrees, the kombucha is ready for the second fermentation, also known as bottling. For my kombucha flavors, I chose strawberry, pineapple, and ginger, and did 38 grams for each and a couple slices of ginger, as I didn't want it to be too strong. Once they were bottled, I let them continue fermenting in a warm environment for about 3 days before continuing with my experiment. My hypothesis is that the pineapple is going to have higher levels of sugar. From simply eating the fruits by themselves, I've noticed it tends to be sweeter than the other fruits I have chosen. In order to continue through with my experiment, I'm using a tool called a refractometer. A refractometer is used to measure the concentration of a substance within a solution. So for our purposes, it can tell us the levels of sugar in kombucha using a measurement called Brix. 1 Brix is equal to about 1% of sugar. So at the 3-day second fermentation mark, I started taking my samples. For the pineapple, I received a measurement slightly above 5 Brix, and this is one of the only fruits whose sugar levels changed slightly, going from a 1.021 to a 1.020 on the SG word scale. The strawberry measured a little under 5 Brix and got a 1.019 on the SG word scale. And lastly, the ginger. This one was the least sweet, again coming in slightly below the 5 Brix mark, but a 1.018 on the word scale the first day of measurements, and then changing to a 1.019 the next day of taking my samples. So in conclusion, my hypothesis was correct. Pineapple making the sweetest bottle of kombucha. I hope you were able to learn something interesting from my science fair project. Thank you for watching and have a good day.